Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, if you guys have an engine 3.5 or 3.7, this engine is used in Ford, Lincoln and Mazda vehicles guys. Okay, let me name a few: Ford Edge, Flex, Taurus, Fusion, Sport, Lincoln MKS, MKX, MKZ and MKT. Also Mazda CX-9 and Mazda CX-9. And you're wondering guys, why it costs so much money to replace your water pumps. Stay with us, we're going to explain that thing guys. As you know, this engine guys is developed together with Mazda. Ford and Mazda developed it together. Ford is actually owning Lincoln, that's why you notice the same engine in Lincoln vehicles. And let me explain you why it costs so much to replace your water pump. Now you're going to wonder why I have to pay so much money. This is your water pump, okay, right here. That's what it looks like. As you can see guys, if you check the parts number and check out the description of the video below to see where we get our parts from for a really good price, this fits Ford, Mazda, Lincoln. This pump guys, that's your number one reason why it's so expensive to replace. The pump itself, it's very cheap. However, this is a timing chain driven pump. And let me show you now here. We have the engine completely apart, okay, and we put a new pump. Okay, you can see that we have new water pump, but in order to get to the pump guys, you have to take so many things apart. Okay, you have to take the whole intake out of the way, valve covers, then you have to remove the timing cover. Okay, that timing cover needs to go completely so you can get to the timing chain. Okay, and this is your timing chain, but in order to replace the pump you have to remove the timing chain and you need special tools for that. Okay, these tools guys, okay, you can find them in the description of the video below. We'll have them listed for a really affordable price as well. And once you do all that guys and you remove your timing chain, you can get to your water pump right here. Now that thing, it takes a lot of work. Okay, for us, you can do it in one day, okay, if you've done that thing before, but if you haven't, okay, you might expect 2 days of work. It really depends on how experienced and if you're prepared with all the tools. We're going to share in the description of the video most of the tools that you're going to need for that job. Okay, you're going to need torque wrench, you're going to need special timing too. I'll recommend definitely to put a new timing chain kit, okay, with the tensioners and everything, because if you don't guys, okay, you might end up doing that job again and you don't want that thing to happen. So we put new chain, new pump and all that stuff. So this is guys the reason why it costs so much money to replace your water pump. Now the parts itself, they're not very expensive at all. It's just the labor that is extremely expensive. Then you need to clean all that here where the timing cover attaches to the engine, and you need to use a special sealant, okay, to glue everything together, because there is not a gasket there. It's the sealant will be the gasket maker. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure this thing out. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.